TV is back with its fun segment Celeb Slambo. And today we have with us Zen, also known as Abhimanyu from Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, sharing his likes and dislikes in an exclusive chat with India Forums.
Hi, this is Zain Imam from Kaisi Hai Yaariyan. Zain Imam aka Abhimanyu, आप मुझे जानते ही होंगे. जैन को प्यार से लोग जैनू बुलाते हैं, जैनी बुलाते हैं. So these are the two nicknames that my fans, my loved ones have given me. So I like Zainu. My date of birth is 18th May 1988. मेरा जो birth है वो ईद के दिन हुआ था, ईद उल फित्र के दिन, मीठी ईद. So हुआ कुछ ऐसा था कि डैड गए थे नमाज़ पढ़ने and मेरी डिलीवरी हुई थी हॉस्पिटल में. So dad had to run back and rush back to the hospital and yeah, it's a very lucky day for me because having born on the Eid day, it's quite special. So मैं 2 टाइम साल में मनाता हूँ अपना बर्थडे, एक 18th May में और एक ईद में. It's Taurian. Though I don't believe in these signs, but yeah, because usually मुझे लगता है कि सारे सेम ही होते हैं. अगर आप एक कुछ रीड कर रहे होते तो दूसरी चीज़ भी वही होती है, I guess. दिल्ली. Well, मैंने स्कूलिंग most of the thing पार्ट मैंने डीपीएस ग्रेटर नोएडा से करी है. एंड मेरा जो कॉलेज था वो एमआईटी यूनिवर्सिटी है. एमबीए मैंने वहाँ से करा है और बीसीए मैंने आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी से करा है. My weakness. I don't know. I'm not aware of it. Probably. I don't know. Weakness क्या होगी यार? I mean, I leave that to others to decide for that. For me, I don't remember as such any weaknesses I have. Like, I'm sure there would be many, but my strength. Okay, my strength would be probably my parents, as they are my idols because उन्हीं की वजह से मेरी upbringing अच्छी हुई है. Because I know for a fact कि upbringing plays a very important role in your life. So हाँ, मेरी strength, मेरे mom, dad, भाई, my elder brother, they're my biggest strengths. So good. Yeah. Oh wow, it's Mughlai. Has to be Mughlai. Like either butter chicken, chicken Mughlai, chicken korma, everything. Chicken. I just love it. But हाँ, कुछ भी थोड़ी स्वीट, थोड़ी स्पाइसी, बट चिकन में आप मुझे कुछ भी खिला दीजिए. एंड स्पेशली इन इफ यू से वेज, आई वुड इवन इफ आई गो टू एनी रेस्टोरेंट, आई वुड ऑर्डर ईदर शाही पनीर, कढ़ाई पनीर एंड दाल मखनी. दैट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट आई ऑर्डर इन वेज. इन दिल्ली it has to be Khan Market, Hoskas Village, Promenade, DLF Promenade, Vasant Kunj. And in Mumbai, it's I think mostly Lokhandwala, I guess. Lokhandwala and mostly in town. We usually go to party in town. Alibi sometimes. And Exo. And here, yeah. Bandra, yeah, of course. Carter's, how can I miss Carter's? Carter's. Yeah, Carter's. Favorite pastime on set? Well, just lounging and chatting with my co-stars, with my friends over here, and sometimes if even fans visit us, so we talk to them and get to know them better. Obviously, we're human, so talking to them, it's a really great fun. Even today, some fans visited me, so because they've been coming on the set, so I was kind of busy the other day, so I had to acknowledge them. So yes, it's good fun to meet all the fans. Cloud 9 moment. Whoa. Well, I think being selected for Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, since this is my first show, and I got to know, and I'm learning a lot of things from this the very first show, how the things are कैसी चीज़ें होती हैं. हाँ, तो आगे जो मैं सीरियल से मूवीज़ कुछ करूँगा इंशाल्लाह, तो मुझे पता रहेगा कि यार हाँ, ये चीज़ें थी, ये चीज़ें मैंने गलत करी थी, ये चीज़ें मैंने सही करी थी, and this something that could be improved upon, या अब मुझे इतना एक्सपीरियंस तो हो ही गया है. आई क्रेव फॉर एनीथिंग स्वीट. आप मुझे स्वीट में कुछ भी दे दो, कुछ भी, लिटरली मैं खा जाऊंगा. दूसरा बंदा खाए या ना खाए, आई डोंट रियली केयर, आई डोंट गिव अ डैम, बट मुझे खाना होता है. सो एनीथिंग स्वीट, यस, ब्रिंग इट ऑन. Yes, few debit cards. I am not into credit cards mostly, but in my wallet. Are you sure? Yeah, debit cards, thoda sa cash. Yeah, and my, I think, home keys. Yeah. I think anything which is soft music. कोई particularly मेरा favorite नहीं है. But anything which is soft, because I'm into soft music. I'm not into EDM or hardcore, head banging वगैरह. But मुझे वो ज़्यादा, हाँ, वो depend करता है आपका mood कैसा है. तो अगर आपका mood अच्छा है तो शायद वो भी अच्छे लगे songs. A funda I follow in life is you just go with the flow, because things will happen when it's supposed to happen. तो आप अगर मेहनत करते रहोगे तो I'm sure खुदा आपकी भी सुनेगा ज़रूर. Message to my fans, all the lovely fans there. Thank you so much for appreciating my work and lovely edits by the fan clubs. I love you all the fans, and आप कभी भी मुझसे मिलना चाहें, you're more than welcome. So guys, love you.
We'll be back soon with more such fun segments. Neha Sawant with cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Neeti. Keep watching India Forums and subscribe to WhatsApp TV.